Hi, DJ Leap here. Welcome to LeapFrog, your phonics radio station. Press a button to hear a song. Press the LeapFrog button to play Find That Letter. A. The letter A says A and A. The letter A is here to say A in apple, yippee-yay. The letter A is here to say A in apple, yay! The letter A says A and A. Yay! B. The letter B says B.
The letter B really swings. B is the sound it brings. B and ball, hey, that sings. The letter B really swings.
The letter B says B. Great song! C. The letter C says K, and sometimes the letter C is what you found. K, K. That's the sound. The letter C is what you found. As in cat. The letter C says K, and sometimes Great song! D. The letter D says D.
There's a D word here to meet you, a D sound to greet you. There's a D word here to meet you with a D that's in dog.
The letter D says D. All right. E. The letter E says E and E. E is a letter. It makes the sound E. That's right. Sing along with this song. E. Elephant. The letter E says E and E. Great song. F. The letter F says F. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. The letter F has something to say. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. Hear the F in fish today. The letter F says F. Yay! G. The letter G says G, and sometimes J. The letter G is here to say G in goat, yippee-yay. The letter G is here to say G in goat, yay! The letter G says G, and sometimes J. Great song! H. The letter H says H.
The letter H really swings. H is the sound it brings. H in hen, hey, that sings. The letter H really swings.
The letter H says H. Yay! I. The letter I says I and I. The letter I is what you found. I. That's the sound. The letter I is what you found. I. As in igloo. The letter I says I and I. Yay! J. The letter J says J.
There's a J word here to meet you, a J sound to greet you. There's a J word here to meet you with a J that's in jet.
The letter J says J. Great song! K. The letter K says K. K is a letter. It makes the sound K. That's right! Sing along with this song. K. Kite. The letter K says K. Yay! L. The letter L says ooh. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. The letter L has something to say. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. Hear the L in lion today. The letter L says ooh. Yay! N. The letter M says The letter M is here to say in mop. Yippee-yay! The letter M is here to say in mop. Yay! The letter M says Great song! N. The letter N says
The letter N really swings. Is the sound it brings. In nest, hey, that sings. The letter N really swings.
The letter N says Yay! O. The letter O says O. And the letter O is what you found. That's the sound. The letter O is what you found. As in octopus. The letter O says O. And Great song! P. The letter P says P.
There's a P word here to meet you, a P sound to greet you. There's a P word here to meet you with a P that's in pig.
The letter P says P. All right. Q. The letter Q says Q. Q is a letter. It makes the sound Q.
That's right! Sing along with this song.
Q. Queen. The letter Q says Q. All right. R. The letter R says Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. The letter R has something to say. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. Hear the in rabbit today. The letter R says Yay! S. The letter S says The letter S is here to say in sun. Yippee-yay! The letter S is here to say in sun. Yay! The letter S says Great song! T. The letter T says
The letter T really swings. T is the sound it brings. T in tiger, hey, that sings. The letter T really swings.
The letter T says All right. U. The letter U says U. And the letter U is what you found. That's the sound. The letter U is what you found. As in umbrella. The letter U says U. And All right. V. The letter V says V.
There's a V word here to meet you, a V sound to greet you. There's a V word here to meet you with a V that's in van.
The letter V says V. Yay! W. The letter W says W. W is a letter. It makes the sound W.
That's right! Sing along with this song.
W. Wagon. The letter W says W. All right. X. The letter X says X. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. The letter X has something to say. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. Hear the X in X-ray today. The letter X says X. Yay! Y. The letter Y says Y, and sometimes I. The letter Y is here to say Y in yo-yo. Yippee-yay! The letter Y is here to say Y in yo-yo. Yay! The letter Y says Y, and sometimes I. All right. letter Z says Z.
There's a Z word here to meet you, a Z sound to greet you. There's a Z word here to meet you with a Z that's in zebra.
The letter Z says Z. Great song! The alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Great song! Old MacDonald. Yay! This old man. Great song! Row your boat. Great song! Let's play Find That Letter. I'll play a song, and you press the matching letter button. Try to find it before the song is over. Here we go!
The letter B really swings.
B, you found that letter. You are the grand prize winner. Press the LeapFrog button to play again. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day. The letter F has something to say. F, you found that letter. You are the grand prize winner. Press the LeapFrog button to play again. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. The letter C is what you found. C, you found that letter. You really know your letters. Press the LeapFrog button to play again. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go.
There's a D word here to meet you.
C, try again.
There's a D word here to meet you.
B, try again.
There's a D word here to meet you.
A. That song was about the letter D. Thanks for playing. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. D is a letter. E. You found that letter. You really know your letters. Press the LeapFrog button to play again. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. The letter A. C. Try again. The letter A is here. D. Try again. The letter A. A. You found that letter. You are the grand prize winner. Press the LeapFrog button to play again. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. The letter I is what you found. I. You found that letter. You're today's big winner. Press the LeapFrog button to play again. Press a button to hear a song. Press the LeapFrog button to play Find That Letter. Press a button to hear a song. Press the LeapFrog button to play Find That Letter. Thanks for learning with LeapFrog. Bye-bye.